Hey, Scott Himmelstein with the Scott Himmelstein Group. Welcome back to another edition of our video blog. Hey, today we want to take the opportunity and talk again on why it's so important if you're selling your house to actually have an open house. Hey, it's Scott Himmelstein again, and like I said, welcome back to another edition of our video blog. All right, so today we're talking about why it's so important to actually have an open house if you are selling your home. Before we do that, a reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're looking to purchase a home, we have our free MLS search tool for properties all over Southern California. Well, today's topic really comes from the fact that 3 of our last 4 listings have actually sold as a result of the open house. So that's why we really wanted to make sure we gave you this information, because there's a lot of misconceptions out there about open houses. So first, the cons about the open house. Yes, is the opportunity that will actually represent the buyer themselves without an agent. That is pretty low themselves. Security concerns, while we haven't actually had any issues, we do make recommendations not to leave valuables in the open house. And of course, you're always going to get some nosy neighbors that come by. But despite those things, actually it's really important to have the open house, because we're finding over the course of the last 24 months, almost 87% of our listings have sold through an open house. And the reason why that is today 98% of your buyers are looking online at different internet portals. They're able to see the homes online, they're able to look at the photos, look at the video tours, but they actually want to be able to go out and take a look at them themselves. And due to the buyer's schedule, they want the easiest possible path to be able to have access to the homes. They don't want to have to make appointments. They prefer not to actually have their agent make a 24-hour notice in advance call to the listing agent to set up a showing, because buyers have very busy schedules themselves, just like our sellers do. So in that regard, that's why it's so important to have a large window of time. Usually on Sundays, most of our open houses during this time of year take place from 1 to 5 p.m. And a lot of what usually typically happens, whether it be the agent with their clients, or the agent may send their clients, or the agent may have actually shown the property to their clients earlier in the week, and now the buyer actually wants to come by with their family to show it to the rest of the family, or see it one more time before we actually review offers. So those are kind of the reasons why we have found that these days now, here in 2018, it's really critical that you have an open house. Now, if you're a home seller that has pets or young kids, or it's going to be a lot more difficult to actually make an appointment, this is why it's even tenfold why it's really critical that you make your home available for the buyers to be actually seen during the open house, so that way they don't have to actually worry about making an appointment. So again, like we said, we've been seeing recently, most of our homes sell directly in one way or another as a result of the open house. You have any other real estate questions? Feel free to give us a call anytime at 818-396-3311. That's 818-396-3311. And thanks again for watching our video blog.